Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to check your gift card balance on Lane Bryant. If you don't have a Lane Bryant account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website. Here, you will see a profile icon at the upper right part of the screen. Click on the profile icon. On the pop-up window, sign in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, you will see a section for Wallet. Beside it, you will see a Manage button. Click on Manage. Now on this page, scroll down a little. Then you will see a section for Check Gift Card Balance. On the field provided, enter your gift card and PIN number. After entering, click on Check Balance. That's how you check your gift card balance on Lane Bryant. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.